My name is Jasmine Coleman, and I'm from San Diego, California. I just do ear seeds, so I'm not like an acupuncturist. I do ear seeds as its own standalone business. So, what led me to ear seeding is I really like holistic healing and being able to have your body heal itself from within. And I really like that ear seeds are a tool to help your body heal. And so I wanted to be able to offer that to people because I've never heard about it. And all the people that I've offered ear seeds to, they're so amazed and they've never heard about it either. And I like having a holistic alternative. So what made me sign up for the ear seed certification program was that I wanted to learn more about ear seeds. And I actually completed the 3-month process in 21 days. So if that doesn't tell you how much I really was interested in it. And I think it's an amazing program that everybody should do. It's very detailed and insightful. The only obstacle that was potentially in the way for me starting the certification program was the cost. But what they say, can't really go into a business without jumping in. You have to get over your fears. And so I went all in and I'm never looking back. Ear Seeds has helped me help others by showing them and educating them about different ways to help heal their body. And so they don't have to have invasive ways like taking pills that have side effects. They like to be able to put some seeds on their ears or reapply them and know that they don't have any harsh side effects. I feel like this program did allow me to go forward and be successful because the monthly meetings that they have and the succession labs and even everything that they have in their app is very detailed. So I can go back to it anytime I want, and I like that, having that in my pocket. That's why the Ear Seeds Mastery Program gave me all the tools that I needed to be successful. Ear Seeds has improved my business by allowing me to have more clients and reach more people in the community, and it also has increased my revenue. If I didn't take this course in ear seeding, I would still be looking for another part-time hustle. To someone that's on the fence of this program, I would say definitely do it. They can reach out to other people that have already completed it because that's what I did before I made the decision to buy. And they can always come to me and ask me questions, and I 100% recommend doing the program.